monsoons and wood sludge, and you must have 26 miles a day. Torri to jungle again and just for jobs. The planes were near and drop by the parachutes. The parachutes and Angharad and Golvenny, well. Sergeant Newell, when you got the ski course, the mark of first aid there. When you carry bandages, field dressings, morphine pills. When Deutsch dressing back in the company. When you be in charge, you know. But money to the nose. When you stretch back, right? I didn't even win, wouldn't he? Wel, o'n nhw sialw hyd, oedd rhaid i ni mynd, fynd i gael nhw nôl. Oedd mes yn nadw, rhaid nhw. Trial gorau i safio nhw. Wel, oedd rhaid i gael nhw mewn fan. Oedd nhw'n lan i Hill Station. A ffordd lan gas nhw ambush. Ac yn lladd i gyd. 22 nhw. A when you're in land, man, about 3-4 days, well. No, then you can not do it, mas. Or the Rhydaman gas ambush, so what did you do? Got rid of you?